Hi, I'm Cheryl, and my son Matthew and I have come here to Eugene's, and the reason we're coming here, and the reason we've come here for 2 years, is just because his mom and himself are just plain old friendly people.
Hi, my name is Eugene Ingardia, and this is Eugene's Clean Cut Barbershop. Along with me, we have my mom, Frances Ingardia, working beside me, and Reggie Davis. We offer a full range of haircuts and styles. Basically everything you can think of, we can do it. One of the things that we really pride in the shop is that we are the barbers that stay here. It's not a new barber every time you come in. I was influenced by my mother. She started cutting in 1972.
I love to do hair, and I'm glad Eugene followed my footsteps. It's very good, and we love the people.
If you mention that you saw us on the shop spot, we'll give you a $2 discount off of regular haircut. Another thing that we offer here at Eugene's Clean Cut is the side for the women.
I've been doing this for 30 years, and especially that I like to do updos for proms, weddings. I know how to do long hair, short hair, less hair, and if they don't have hardly hair, I can do it as magic things.
We'll work with hair and be real creative and change styles and change colors and bring somebody in who's not real happy with themselves and send them out a new person. Okay, we use a lot of Redken here. We also sell Redken products. We use Redken color. We have some Nioxin. Any shop spot viewers who are going to come in and mention seeing this advertisement, I will give them $5 off any full service, any chemical work. And I'd like to invite anybody who wants to come and try us out to come in.